Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about the botany, the basis of botany. So first of all, what is botany? It is basically the study of plants. Study of plants. So here study of plants. We can like plants, what crops maybe. So here the difference between plant and crop is basically the community of plants. Community means where different plants live, community of plants. Whereas if we do a study of the plants, so that is basically the individual plant. So we do not say that the study of crops, we do study of plants. Here in the botany we do study of plants, individual plants. Okay, so now let me tell you about the cell structure and functions. So cell structure and functions. So first we define as the cell. What is cell? So here the cell is divided into three parts, we can say. Number one, okay, so first we have cell covering, then we have cytoplasm, after that we have nucleus. Okay, so now you all can see, like in the cell covering we have cell wall and cell membrane. And in the cytoplasm we have, cytoplasm is again divided into two parts, in which we have number one cell organelles, like here we have different organelles like endoplasm, reticulum, Golgi bodies, vacuole, and different organelles. And other is cytosol. Cytosol is basically the jelly-like substance which is present in the cytoplasm. Third is nucleus. In nucleus we have chromosomes. As we all are familiar with chromosomes, so in chromosomes we have DNA, and in DNA we have gene. Okay, so this is in the nucleus we have chromosome, in chromosome we have DNA, and DNA we have gene. Now here the cell organelles is divided into two parts again. Number one is membranous bounded organelles, while another is amembranous. A means absence of membranous. So in the membranous bounded organelle again we have two types. Number one is double membrane bounded organelles, and second is single membrane, double membrane. Okay, so in the double membrane it includes mitochondria, and we have chloroplast. Okay, while in the single we have endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, and different remaining what we have, these will be have the single membrane: vacuole, Golgi bodies, and lysosomes, and many others. Okay, so this is basically the simple structure of cell. Let me revise this. Cell is divided into three parts. Number one is cell covering, another is cytoplasm, while third is nucleus. Then the cell covering, it includes cell wall and cell membrane, and in cytoplasm it includes cell organelles and cytosol, which is jelly-like substance, while in nucleus we have chromosomes. Then in chromosomes we have DNA, in DNA we have gene. Now here cell organelles are divided into two parts. Number one is membrane bounded organelles, and number second is amembranous. A here simply means absence of membrane. absence of membrane. Okay, so in the membrane bounded organelle, again we have two types: double membrane bounded organelles and single membrane bounded organelles. So whole in structure we have only two double membrane, that is mitochondria and chloroplast, while in single remaining all we are included in single. Like here I wrote some of endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole or Golgi bodies, lysosomes and many others. Okay, so now let me teach you some important points about cell. So here we have first of all cell wall. Okay, so cell wall, when the cell in the cell we have cell wall, cell membrane. So from the cell, if cell wall is minus, if we will minus the cell wall, so what will be remaining? Protoplast. Okay, protoplast will be remaining, and in which we don't have cell wall. In animal cell we don't have cell wall, so we can simply say that animal cell is protoplast. Now again in protoplast what we have, let me write here cell membrane. Okay, so when from protoplasm, like here we don't have cell wall, and if from protoplasm cell membrane is also minus, so what is remaining? Protoplasm. Protoplasm, the fluid of nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. Okay, and again in the protoplasm we have what? Nucleus. Then if we don't have cell wall, cell membrane, if from protoplasm nucleus is also minus, so what will remain? So cytoplasm will be remains. Okay, and then again in cytoplasm what we have? Cell organelles. So as we know that in cytoplasm now we don't have nucleus, we don't have cell wall, not have cell membrane. So from cytoplasm we will minus cell organelles too. So what will remain? Only cytosol. Cytosol, and other name of cytosol is like we can say matrix, and we can say hyloplasm. Okay, so hopefully you learn something new from this video. Inshallah, bye bye.